In 1932, Australia declared war, not against another country but against birds. After World War I, farmers faced a new enemy: thousands of emus destroying crops. The government actually sent in soldiers with machine guns to fight them. But the emus were fast, scattered, and surprisingly hard to kill. After wasting thousands of rounds of ammo, the birds won. The military withdrew, and the Great Emu War went down as one of the most bizarre defeats in history. Yes, Australia lost a war against emus.